Today is more than just a conference. This is a beginning of what we hope will become an annual space, a vibrant academic and scientific forum where medical educators, students, academic leaders, researchers, policymakers, and partners from all across Africa and beyond come together.
So all I want to say is that as this technology we're talking about help and will continue to help students refine their clinical decision and clinical reasoning, we need real-world patient interaction that will be able to pass that human-centered skills we're talking about.
Ladies and gentlemen, we can do a very simple maneuver, and that is to shift our desks to the side of our consulting rooms and to sit with the people who matter most. There must be nothing that stands in the way of us serving the people that matter the most. You know, nothing at all. Nothing at all, it doesn't matter. Just move things, just create space so that you can do the things that matter most, cause disruption, but get to the people that matter most and the people who will change this world and transform this continent and make a difference to the lives of the people that we were called to serve. So I invite you to be transformed. I invite you to change this world through belief, through purpose, through promise, and through possibility.
We need to train more people in medical education, train them well with the highest standards, and embrace technology as fast as possible, and obsess it and achieve it until we come back here and say, said it in 2025. Now we are back and it has been achieved.